Ozzy Osbourne wasn't born howling "Crazy Train" into your face. He was John Michael Osbourne, born December 3rd, 1948 in Aston, Birmingham, basically the poorest kid in the roughest neighborhood. Youngest of 6, dyslexic, bullied so bad he ended up in jail at 17 for breaking into a shop. That's rock and roll origin story number 1. Mom, can you bail me out again? Then at 14, he hears the Beatles' "She Loves You," and it hits him. I could be on stage instead of sliding meat at a slaughterhouse. He bails on the pork factory, grabs a mic, and joins a band called Earth. NASA didn't like it, so they renamed themselves Black Sabbath because horror flicks sold better. Fast forward to 1970 and Black Sabbath and Paranoid drop. Everyone's like, "Holy smokes, this is heavy." Ozzy's voice? Raspy as a chainsaw and twice as scary. He's suddenly the Prince of Darkness, though he looked more like an extra from Mary Poppins after a bender. But the lifestyle took its toll. By 79, Ozzy's so baked and blitzed, the band tells him, "We can't play with you anymore." He gets fired from the band he founded. Talk about a good riddance moment. Enter solo career. 1980's Blizzard of Oz slams into the charts. "Crazy Train" becomes the unofficial metal anthem, and Randy Rhoads shreds like a man possessed. Then 1981's Diary of a Madman cements his comeback, until Randy gets unalived in a plane crash in '82, and Ozzy nearly quits music forever. Now the tour stories. In '81, he strolls into a record exec meeting with live doves, trying to be poetic, and chows down on one head first. Peace offering, he calls it. Next year in Des Moines, a fan tosses what looks like a rubber bat on stage. Ozzy thinks it's a toy, bites its head off, and needs rabies shots. Then in San Antonio, drunk in Sharon's dress, he relieves himself on the Alamo Memorial. Texas bans him for a decade. Pure rock and roll insanity. Off stage, though, he finds balance. He marries Sharon Arden in 1982. She becomes his manager and life partner. Sharon drags him through rehab, health scares, and career wipeouts. In 2002, MTV's The Osbournes turns them into reality TV royalty. Ozzy doesn't watch a single episode, but the world can't get enough of the chaos. Life beats him up too. In 2003, an ATV crash fractures his spine and stops his heart. Dozens of surgeries follow. In 2020, he announces he has Parkinson's disease. Yet at 70 plus, he's still touring, perched on a throne because standing's too hard, driven by that roar of the crowd. He's not just a metal pioneer, he sold over 100 million records, got inducted twice into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, was Sabbath and solo, and became a commander of the British Empire. Barbara Bush once confessed to the president, "I love Ozzy Osbourne," proof he breaks every boundary. "We love you, Ozzy. May you rest in peace." Ozzy Osbourne left us on July 22nd, 2025 at 76, weeks after a final homecoming show in Birmingham. Fans laid flowers on the Black Sabbath bridge. He wasn't just a singer or a bat-biting lunatic. He was the ultimate survivor, a madman with a heart of gold and the most unforgettable voice rock ever heard.